Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be making callaloo with some of my other Jamaican favorites. If you saw my Jamaican food haul video, callaloo was one of the items I purchased and I promised to make this video, so it's that time. So let's get started. So here are the ingredients. We have some callaloo, which has been rinsed and drained. It comes normally in the can looking like this. And callaloo is just very similar to spinach or collard greens, but it's typical Jamaican. We have a plantain here, which is also one of my favorites, which goes very well with this. We have some Bammy, which I have soaking in some milk. The Bammy comes looking like this, a dry cassava cake. In order for it to be edible, you have to soak it in some milk prior to cooking it. I have salt and pepper, some tomatoes, some chopped bell peppers, some chopped scallion, and some dried thyme. If you have fresh thyme, that works really well. Okay guys, so I have my plantain here. I'm going to cut it and slice it. And I like to slice mine long on an angle here. And I'm cutting them about 1/4 of an inch thick. Okay guys, so I have my frying pan here. I have a little bit of oil in there and it's heated and ready to go. So I'm going to fry the plantains. And they'll be just until they're golden brown. And just for the purposes of this video, to save on time, I'm going to go ahead and fry the Bammy. What I'm doing is just draining the Bammy, draining the excess milk off the Bammy and just placing it in here. All right, so I'm going to get these finished up and then we'll come back. So I have my frying pan here with some hot oil and I'm going to add some tomato and some scallion and bell peppers. I'm going to give that a stir. So I'm going to let that saute for a little bit. I'm going to add the callaloo. And the callaloo, if it comes in brine, just be aware of the salt content. You may want to rinse it. As it was in the can, it doesn't need very long to be cooked. Now I'm going to sprinkle some thyme. And I'm going to add some salt and black pepper to that. And I'm going to just gently stir that. And just let it sit for another minute or two. The callaloo is ready, so I'm going to plate everything up and come back. Okay guys, here we have the callaloo with the bammy and the plantains. I'm going to give it a try. Really, really good. I taste the thyme and all the seasonings, and the callaloo is just the right texture. Let me try some plantain now. Perfectly ripe and sweet. All right, so I'm going to try some of the bammy. This brings back a lot of great memories. So there you have it, guys. My Jamaican Callaloo with bammy and fried plantain. Thanks for watching.